Hi there, welcome to Module 1 Part 3 where we are going to learn Power BI interface and workflow. Power BI desktop interface and workflow. Over here we will see what are the different parts of the Power BI desktop and how it's going to help you to create Power BI reports and dashboards. Power BI desktop. So over here you can see that the Power BI desktop app, which is the Get Started Power BI desktop app, and here you will see the very first on the top is very much similar to the PowerPoint, which is a ribbon where you are going to get the different options. Second would be the canvas where you are going to design your report, where you are going to drag and drop the different visualizations and you are going to design it. Number 3 is the page. You can create the multiple pages into your report and also you can rename them. Number 4 would be the filters pane. That means if you would like to apply certain filters, whether it's a page level, visualization level, or maybe it's on the report level, you can apply those filters over there. Then is the number 5, which is the visualization. So you can see the different visualizations are appearing there. We don't call them chart, etc. We call them the visualizations, and that's going to appear over here. Number 6 would be the formatting pane over here. So that means if you want to increase the size of the labels, you want to write the different labels, etc., all the formatting options you will get over there. And at last is the fields pane. Whenever you load the data over there, then all the table names are going to appear there, and inside them you would see all the different column names. Also, if you have created any calculations or the measures, that's going to appear over here. Now we are going to move to the next part, which is the data view. In the data view part, you can see your table names on the pane 5, which is the data pane, but in middle part you can see the table data. You can click on the tables and you can see the respective data over there. Also, other parts are similar, like the menus, your panes, etc. Here you should remember that if you are using the direct query connection, that means the direct query connection to your data source, then you won't be able to view the data over here. However, if you are importing the data into Power BI Desktop, which we are going to do, then you can see the data. Next would be your pane for the model view. And this is the pane where we do the data modeling. So you can see this part, it's your model view. Here you would see all the tables, and we can also define the relationship among the tables so that we can get the data from the multiple tables, which is the data modeling part, and you can delete as well. Then you would get on your right hand side this pane where you can see that this storage mode is direct query right now, but we have the import mode as well and the dual mode. So we have the different modes, the way we get the data into Power BI, and I'll let you know briefly when we are going to do the data modeling that what does that mean. Now, this feature is the latest introduced by Microsoft, which is the text query view. Before that, we have to use another external tools if we want to see the data through text queries. DEX and DEX queries are different. DEX is just the function names or the calculations that you write. But DEX queries is like a scripting language that we use in SQL or Python, etc. So with the help of that, we can view the data. So this is the latest one. You would also get it if you enable the preview feature in your Power BI desktop.